Good day, learners. For today's video, I will teach you on how to factor general trinomials. So don't leave and let us learn mathematics. In this video, you will learn to factor general trinomials. There will be two types of trinomials that we are going to deal with. First is the trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 1, and the second form is ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 1. So this time, we will focus on this form. So we have example number 1. Factor x squared plus 7x plus 10. So in this case, we just consider the last term and the middle term. So again, this is the first term, the middle term, and then the last term. We will factor the last term, and then we will see to it that the sum of their factors are equal to 7. So what is the factor of 10? Have 10 equals, it could be 1 times 10, and then 2 times 5. So the question is, which among the factors yield the sum of 7? So if we're going to add 1 and 10, the sum is 11. And if we're going to get the sum of 2 and 5, the sum is 7. So therefore, the factors are 2 and 5. This is the correct combination. So let's have to write the factor. So the pattern is x, and then write x in here. Since we have 2 and 5, let's just write plus 2 and plus 5. This is it. This is now the factor of x squared plus 7x plus 10. Let us consider the second example. We have, it is going to factor x squared plus 2x minus 15. Again, let us get the factor of the last term, and we will see to it that the sum of the factors is 2. That's in the middle term. So the factor of negative 15, we have, it could be 1 and negative 15. We also have negative 1 and 15. Then we also have 3 and negative 5. And negative 3, 5. These are the factors of negative 15. So if we were going to multiply 1 and negative 15, the result is negative 15. Negative 1 times 15, still negative 15. 3 times negative 5, the result is negative 15. Negative 3 and 5, the result is negative 15. The question is, which among the factors yield 2 as their sum? So this one, no, this is negative 14. So not 2. This is positive 14. X. The sum of these numbers, negative 2. X. This one, how about this one? Negative 3 and 5. Their sum is 2. So therefore, this factor is the correct combination. So thus, the factors are negative 3 and 5. So let's write this in a factor form. Again, we have x, other side x. The first factor is negative 3, so just write minus 3, and the other one is 5, so plus 5. So this is now the factor of x squared plus 2x minus 15. Question. So in our next video, we will focus on the second form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 1. Don't forget to subscribe for you to be notified for our next videos. Thank you.